Cleaning the house is never fun nor easy, especially if you have a wide area to take care of. It can take a couple of hours or longer to achieve that desired level of cleanliness. The result can also vary depending on the quality of the cleaning materials that you use, especially your floor. The floor is the part of your house that quickly gets dirty, so it's necessary to invest in a floor mop that can clean even through tough dirt or hard-to-reach areas. At the same time, it should be easily assembled and fit even in a narrow part of your home. If you're looking to buy a new floor mop yet don't have the time to go looking for one, then stay tuned because we can help you without raising you from your seat. Here we're going to give you the 5 best floor mops on the market today. Let's begin. At number 1 is the SWIFFER WETJET Floor Mop Starter Kit. It includes 1 power floor spray mop, 5 mopping pads, and 1 500 milliliter bottle of floor cleaning solution. The SWIFFER WETJET Floor Mop is easy to assemble and lightweight, with its assembled product weight just over 4 pounds. It makes the mop easy to use when pulling or pushing from one direction to the other. This product is undoubtedly a better replacement for the traditional mop and bucket that were often used before. SWIFFER Floor Mop has a swivel head and its mop is narrow, making it able to get even to the tightest areas. This is definitely a feature that'll save you from moving around items in your house, which is usually the situation when using a traditional mop. The SWIFFER WETJET Floor Mop is a type of surface cleaner that guarantees perfect cleaning service on virtually any type of floor in your home. The mop is safe to use on ceramic tile, laminate floor, natural or marble stone, vinyl, linoleum, and even unfinished hardwood. However, keep in mind that the hardwood floor mop is safe only on all polished wood floors, so it's not designed to be used on any unfinished, waxed or oil wooden boards, non-sealed tiles, or carpeted floors because they might be sensitive to water. When you clean the floor using the SWIFFER spray mop, you'll notice how it can easily absorb and lock in strips of grime, trapping the ingrained dirt on the surface and gets deep into the pad so that the dirt doesn't just get pushed around. Indeed, this product is one of the best out there that makes cleaning convenient and fast. An all-in-one mopping system created to dissolve and break up resistant messes on the floor. At number 2 is the O-CEDAR EASYWRING Microfiber Spin Mop Bucket Floor Cleaning System. This unique, affordable mop is excellent to use around your house and will undoubtedly get your floors clean and dry as well. This O-CEDAR EASYWRING Spring Mop is also easy to use by simply holding the mop loosely. Then step on the foot pedal to activate the wringer. It has a push pedal to wring that's ideal for mopping hard surfaces of your house without having to bend down. Also, no more wet hands because of the telescopic handle that can be adjusted up to 51 inches in length. It has a splash guard that helps keep the water splash and spray inside the bucket only when spinning. It has a flexible mop head that's designed with 360-degree rotation so it can easily be maneuvered and fit under furniture or every corner of your house. This spin mop has a unique triangle mop head that's designed to get into corners. It's made from 100% high-quality microfiber that's safe and effective for cleaning any hardwood floors, surfaces, and ceramic tiles. The microfiber has a deep cleaning power that removes and absorbs tough dirt and grime. It can be used wet for a deep clean or used dry for dusting floors and other surfaces. The mop head is machine washable up to 10 times, and it's advised to replace and refill every 3 months for best results. Have you chosen the best mop for your home? Well, if not, don't worry because we still have 3 more to go. Before we continue, let's invite you to join our growing community by subscribing to our channel. Also, if you click the bell icon, you'll receive notifications about our latest videos. Drop us any comments if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see us review. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the BONA Spray Mop for hardwood floors. This spray mop for hardwood floors is the perfect solution to clean and reveal the natural shine of your hardwood. It also has an easily refillable cartridge and very durable lightweight design. This next generation BONA spray mop for hardwood floors is safe for all unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane, and finished hardwood flooring. It comes with a full-size 28.75 ounce, ready-to-use original formula, bona fide hardwood floor cleaner. It also has a machine washable microfiber cleaning pad. The unique formula cleans the floors effectively by removing dust, dirt, and any other sort of grime, revealing those beautiful floors. Equipped with an extra large mop head and a sturdy handle, this floor mop makes cleaning quick and easy. With its rubber flexible corners, it safeguards the baseboards and furniture from dings and scratches, and it can easily navigate into those hard-to-reach areas. It also has a secondary grip that allows for added cleaning power and a retractable hook that makes it great for securing storage. The Spray Mop's added features include easy refillable cartridges to keep your wooden floors clean and fresh. Also, this handy product has durable, lightweight design in which it makes the cleaning process quick and convenient. This tool treats hardwood floors with care, making it the best solution to your hardwood floor problems. You can achieve superior cleaning by using this product while maintaining the natural beauty of your hardwood floors. The Spray Mop is undeniably worth every penny. At number 4 is the LIBMAN Freedom Spray Mop. This is an easy-to-change premier microfiber pad that lifts and locks away dirt. The cleaning pad is extra absorbent and leaves your floor drier and faster. The tight spray pattern prevents damage to your walls or cabinets, and it cleans wood floors, laminate, tile, marble, linoleum, stone, and other surfaces, all while being done more environmentally friendly. This spray mop also maintains interior hardwood floor surfaces easily. It has a long 50-inch steel handle with a trigger spray top and a hanger feature for convenient storage. The trigger is self-powered to spray solution with a squeeze of the trigger. No batteries are needed, and that means you don't have to run out to the store to buy them or hunt them down when using your mop. The 16.5-inch head and 360-degree swivel lets you cover large areas and reach into corners easily. It also features a removable and reusable microfiber pad that helps you get rid of stubborn dirt and mud without damaging the floor. When you're done cleaning the floor, just toss it into the washing machine, and it can be done 50 times before needing to be replaced. Also, it has a removable tank, supplying you with your choice of filling on the top or off the mop. The spray mop is essential. Having one nearby makes quick and easy work to clean up little messes that often occur. The LIBMAN Freedom Spray Mop doesn't use expensive batteries, disposable cleaning pads, or harsh chemicals. Instead, it lets you use whatever cleaning solution you'd like. Before we check out our 5th item, we'd like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly uploading new videos of product reviews that can help you in your buying decisions. Also, you can receive notifications of our newest videos by clicking the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so that they too can learn about the best products on the market. Head on down to the description box and click the link of the details of your chosen item. And now our last product. At number 5 is the O-CEDAR PROMIST Max Microfiber Spray Mop. It has a deep cleaning microfiber pad that removes 99% of bacteria like E. coli and staph with just water. This mop spray also allows you to control the amount of spray with a comfort grip handle and trigger without needing those costly batteries. The microfiber spray mop also has a large dual-sided head. The dual-sided microfiber top also flips 180 degrees, allowing you to clean floors fast without having to change the mop pad. It also means it cleans 2.5 times more of the surface area and can clean for longer without stopping. It also has a refillable bottle. Just fill the bottle with water and add 2 small teaspoons of your favorite cleaning solution, and you're ready to shine your floors. An innovative one-touch bottle release allows you to remove the spray bottle quickly and efficiently, and you can change the refill every 3 to 6 months for the best results. This PROMIST Max Spray Mop uses the magic of thousands of microfibers to absorb the smallest dirt and dust particles. When switching between cleaners or preparing for storage, fill the bottle with water and spray 5 times. Discard the remaining water. It uses a wet or dry versatile microfiber pad that allows you to use it damp for thorough cleaning to shine your floors or use it dry for dusting. This reusable mop pad also saves you money because it's machine washable and can be done up to 100 times. Well, that takes care of the review of our 5 best floor mops. Now's the time to make your choice and do your cleaning and mopping stress-free and smoothly. Choose wisely and enjoy the perks of having one of the best floor mops at your home or property. If you're ready to buy one now, just check the link of the product of your choice and get it at a great deal. If you want to see a particular product reviewed, leave it in the comments below. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be updated when we load new product reviews. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.